Hi, this is my more official review of the X22 GT by Venom Motorsports. I put a carbon aftermarket exhaust on this. Shout out to Aly Amid. He has a walkthrough on his page on how he assembled it and connected it, and it was quite easy. It didn't take that much time. I have noticed that this particular bike has some strengths and some different oddities to it. I'll go through some of the basic preliminary things with the bike. First off, I will tell you that the lights are, sorry, I'm trying to do this with two hands. It's not easy. There we go. Start it up. Alright, I put decals on this bike. Got a GY6 belt drive. I painted it to my own liking. It comes stock, it comes silver. If you look over, it has these great LED lights, are very bright. You've got your passing light here, that's very bright. Passing right here. Your horn very loud. Your right turn. Your left turn. Your left brake. And your right. And turn this off. I will mention that your top speed is you're going to at least hit over 70, but I will say that it is conducive to the weight of the rider. All right. I probably yo-yo around 240, 230. I think lighter riders, of course, you're gonna, especially highway speeds, you're gonna surpass that. And I feel the potential to, but I just don't have the desire to. Low speeds, it's great. I wish they would do something about this rear tire because it has this edge, and that does affect the lean to it. The lean is not fun because you feel as though that ridge sort of, it's just a weird sort of vibration. It sort of like does a double tap when that happens. But other than that, just beautiful bike. I've already put 100 something miles on it really fast, just commuting. So just checking it out, guys. If you like this stuff, I mean, I'm trying to post more. Like and subscribe. Okay, thanks.